Hello, everyone. So it seems there may be some kind of technical difficulties with Skype. Um, Both Mariah and I were in on the call through Skype for Business, and we didn't see anyone joining. But then when we tried to call in through our phones, we couldn't hear ourselves from our phones on the Skype for Business call. So I'm not really sure what happened there. If you tried joining by phone, I'm sorry we missed you. It would have been nice to talk to you guys, but for now we'll just post a video of what we would have said during the call, so you guys can at least see our updates. So the first thing on the agenda for today is talking about the PSDSC Resources. We released this about 2 weeks ago, and it's done amazing so far. We've gotten over 50,000 downloads, which is crazy. So thank you to you guys for downloading and using this module. That's really great. Our continuing plans for PSDSC Resources is to keep adding the inbox resources. So right now we only have 5, but by the release next week, we should be adding Windows feature. So we already have Windows optional feature, but now we'll be adding Windows feature. Mariah's been working on that, and it looks like it's about ready to go. And then further plans for that, I think the next resource in the pipeline, the next full resource that's not a set, is package, I believe. But that probably won't get in by the release next week. That might have to wait for the December release. So that's PSDSC Resources. And then I've had a lot of people asking me about our new module reviews. So there have been a lot of submissions of new modules, new resource modules, and we need to review them all. We're trying to get through them. As you see, we have 7 here that are up for review, and then we have a couple in our waiting for the author list. There's a lot of them. We're trying to get through all of them. We have 2 that are considered high priority right now because the DSC team wants them for security scenarios on Nano Server, and that's this audit policy DSC. It's not actually X audit policy, it's audit policy DSC. And then there's another one in here called X SecEdit or SecEdit DSC. Those 2 I would say are the top priority we've been looking at right now, just because the actual DSC team itself has asked us to move those along. But we are looking at the other ones. We know they're there. Please be patient. We'll get around to them eventually. It's just a lot of code and it takes a while to review it. And then priorities for high quality modules. So if we had been able to have other people in this call, then I would have asked you guys, say, what's your number 1 module other than PSDSC Resources that you would like to see made into a high quality resource module. So I know from like numbers on PS Gallery, which ones I would say should be updated. So that would be like X networking, and I think X web administration is the next highest one up in here. But if you have a module that is really important that you think should get updated to a high quality module, you can go ahead and submit that in the issue I've opened up in here for community call, comments, questions, and feedback. So please do that. Where did I go? Okay, so the next thing on our agenda is the the modules that are currently on track to be released next week. The list is, of course, subject to change. So the current ones that are up for release are SharePoint DSC, System Locale DSC, PSDSC Resources with the new Windows feature added, X Active Directory, X Certificate, X Networking, XPS Desired State Configuration, X Remote Desktop Session Host, X SQL Server, and X Web Administration. And I believe X storage is also pretty close to being added to this list. So as I said, this list is not a be-all end-all for next week. There's a lot that can happen in a week, but that's what's on track right now. And that's it. Pretty short agenda for today. We'll try to sort out our technical issues for next time. Again, I'm really sorry if you called in and we missed you because of this Skype shenanigans going on. But yeah, thanks for being our amazing community. Bye.
Thank you. And also remember to submit any of your questions or comments from this on the GitHub page on our issue that'll be open on there. We will still definitely take feedback just as if you were on the call. All right. Thank you.